I want you to think about the best boss you've ever had, or the best school teacher. And why was that person your best boss or best school teacher? Generally, it's because about how they made you feel. They inspired you, they gave you confidence, they developed you. Disengagement costs business in Australia around $45 billion. Invariably, I find there's around about 50% that are either passionately engaged or disengaged in total, around 50%. That's the leader's great opportunity. The 50% of people in the middle that are sitting on the fence waiting to be engaged. And a great leader, or a good leader, or an effective leader can engage those people and make them more productive and bring them across to the engaged side.